Hello students, today we are going to begin our Excel module. Today we're going to work on project 1, Ferrante and Dahl consultants creating a worksheet and a chart. So once you go here into Canvas, you will select the project, you'll get this page, and then it will direct you over to your start page. As always, we're going to download all of our documents. And then open up your assignment, and it should look something like this. We're going to click on Enable Editing, just like we did in our Word documents, and save it to our desktop. We're going to add the number 2 to the end. And then you want to make sure where it says author that your name has populated there. If it has not, you need to re-download your document. If you have your name there on the other line, you may proceed. So to begin, project step number 1, Jordan LeMay is an associate consultant for Ferrante and Dahl, a global company that helps businesses succeed. She handles accounts in the Northeast region of the United States and has created a worksheet to help her keep in touch with each client. She asks for your help in completing the worksheet. So we're going to go to the current accounts worksheet. So down the bottom, our workbook has 2 tabs, documentation and current accounts. Click the tab below, current accounts. We're going to cut the worksheet subtitle from cell E2 and paste it in cell A2. So we're in E2. We're going to Control X, and then we are going to put it in A2, Control V to paste it. Once that's done, we are now on to project step number 2. We're going to copy Jordan's name. Click Control C, and then we're going to come down here to J11, and then do Control V, and then come back up here. Make sure you select Jordan LeMay, and then hit delete to clear out the contents of cell J2. Okay, step number 3. In cell C3, we are going to enter the company as the column heading. So, company with a capital C, O-M-P-A-N-Y. Now we are on step 4. We are going to change the font size of the range A3 to J3 to 12 point, and then bold the contents. So to do that, you just click, and then you just come over to highlight all of them, their entire column header there. We're going to change it to 12, and then we're going to click the letter B for bold. And then we are going to auto fit to resize columns G and J to their best fit. So here's G. And then we're going to hold down the control key and then select column J, come up to format, auto fit column width, and then it changes it to where it fits perfectly with the header. And then to make this go away, you just click anywhere in your document. All right, so now we are on project step number 5. We're going to apply the text number format to the range A4 to A9. All right, so we are going to make sure that we select A4 to A9. And we are going to apply the text number format. So that's up under here, general. We want to come down to text to add the text number format to range A4 to A9. Project step number 6. In cell E5, we need to finish this word, networking conference, as the complete entry for the cell. So you see it has CON, so we're going to type in the F and it automatically populates. So you can just keep that highlighted, hit the tab, and it will automatically put in the rest of the letters for you. Project step number 7, Ferrante and Dahl has a company policy to contact their clients once every 2 weeks. So in cell H4, we're going to create a formula without a function that adds 14 days to the date the client was last contacted, which was in cell G4. So to do that, we are going to double click so that our cursor is inside of cell H4. We're going to hit the equal sign, and then we are going to do an open parentheses. Then we're going to click on G4. You see how G4 populates in there. Then we're going to hit the plus, and then we want to add 14 days to that date, close parentheses, and then you can hit tab, and then you see that it automatically populates a date 14 days after 218. Now we're going to populate that formula in ranges H5, H9. So to do that, we're going to click on our fill handle right here. It's the little square to the right. Grab that and pull down, and then it will populate that formula all the way down in column H. Now in cell A6 for project step number 9, we're going to type in the number 34675. When you do, hit tab and it will automatically change to a dollar amount. Project step number 10, in cell J10, we're going to enter a formula that uses the sum function to sum the contract amount in the ranges J4 to J9. So to do that, make sure that you have your box in J10. You're going to come up to where it says auto sum, and it automatically knows to grab J4 to J9, that's what you're going to add together. Once you have that in there, hit tab and it will automatically change the amount. Project step number 11, you will change the orientation of worksheet to landscape. So everyone knows how to do that. Page layout, orientation, landscape, and then we will change the print scaling to fit the sheet on one page. So you will go under File, Print, all the way at the bottom where it says no scaling, change it to fit sheet on one page. Once you do, you can click your save, and it will automatically save everything that you just did. So let's go ahead and submit our assignment and see how we did. All right. And we have received a 100 out of 100. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to reach out and let me know if you need any help. I am here to help in any way that I can.